Hi guys, so in this show, I'm outside my backyard and my dad just found a baby's bird nest. Alright, tell me if you guys see something. Oh my god! There's another bird's nest.
Don't mess with it. Let it.
There was a bird's nest over here last time. Right here, there's a little bit some leftovers, but it's gone now. But it's fine, we have another bird's nest. I don't know how, but that's cool. Literally right there, that thing right there. I can't tell if there's, oh, nice leaf. What? Okay. Oh my god. Ooh, juicy leaf. Nice. Okay, I can't tell if there's anything on it. There's so many leaves. There's a couple leaves on it though. But anyways, Lila's here too. Lila's sleeping over. Her parents are at her house. Ugh. Guys, stay still, y'all. Like, sleigh baddies. Sleigh